Welcome to Lucky English for Beginners. Learning a new language is a great journey, and mastering natural conversations is a wonderful way to improve your confidence. Here are 300 sentences to help you sound more like a native speaker, carefully organized by category so you can study and connect with others. Casual greetings and farewells. Hey, how is it going today? Hey, what is up? Morning, Charlotte. How is your day going so far? How are things with you? You all right? I am just surviving right now. Could be better, to be honest. Not much, just grabbing a coffee. Same old, same old. Nothing special is happening today. It is nice to see you again. Catch you later. I have got to run. Take care of yourself. See you around. Have a good one. I will text you later. Let me know what time works for you. We will do. I am heading out now. It was great catching up. Let us stay in touch. I need to bounce. See you later, alligator. Hope to see you soon. I am off to work now. Have a great rest of your day. I am hitting the road. Talk to you soon. Small talk and breaking the ice. Looks like it might rain today. Any plans for the weekend? Did you have a good weekend? How was your morning? That coffee smells great. This place is really busy today. I forgot my umbrella again. It is always the way. Hopefully it will not rain later. Did you see the weather forecast for today? How do you know the host? Have you tried the food here? That sounds interesting. What are you talking about? This is my first time here. We went to school together. It is nice to meet someone new. Have you tried the snacks yet? They look really good. I am always hungry at parties. Are you enjoying the event? It is quite chilly outside today. Can you believe this weather we are having? I love your jacket. How long have you been working here? Did you catch the game last night? I am looking forward to the weekend. What a beautiful day it is. I cannot believe how fast this week went. Are you from around here? Using fillers naturally. Well, I was thinking we could go to the park. Yeah, actually that sounds really nice. I mean, the weather is pretty good today. I am not entirely sure about that. Oh, I saw my friend yesterday. You know, we talked for a bit. Then I went home. Like it was completely unexpected. Literally, it was the best day ever. Basically, we just stayed home and relaxed. Let me think about it. That makes a lot of sense. I guess it was okay. It was kind of interesting. I am sort of tired today. Well, to be honest, I did not like it. Actually, I learn new things all the time. Honestly, I just need a break. I mean, what else could we do? It is like really hard to explain. Could you repeat that? You know what I mean. Basically, we are out of time. I am kind of busy right now. It is sort of a long story. I see what you are saying. That is a tricky question. Well, let us see what happens. Like, I do not even know where to start. I guess we will find out soon. Common slang and casual phrases. That sounds awesome. Dude, I am so in. No way, really. That is sick. They are a pretty chill band. I am a little broke right now. That is absolutely lit. I am totally beat after work. I am hitting the sack early tonight. I have got to bounce. I owe you one. No worries at all. That is what friends are for. Let us hang out this weekend. What do you want to do tonight? I am just going to relax at home. I am thinking of checking out that new cafe. You want to join me? Sounds fun. Same here, I need a break. This place is pretty cool. Do not sweat it. I messed up my bad. Let us just chill here. That movie was epic. I am completely exhausted. Catch me up on the gossip. Are you kidding me? That is totally crazy. Keep me in the loop. Connected speech and fast English. I am going to the store. I want to go home now. I am gonna eat soon. Do you wanna come with me? Give me a second, please. Did you get my message? What are you doing this weekend? What you doing later? Did you eat yet? Jeet yet? I gotta go now. Tell him I will call him later. Best of all, it is free. Pick it up from the floor. Turn off the lights. Let me know what time works. Let me see that. I am out of here. I am out of here. What do you think about it? What do you think? I do not know the answer. I don't know what to say. Come on, let us go. It is a lot of fun. I have got to leave soon. Would you mind helping me? Could you pass the salt? I should have told you earlier. I should have known better. Asking open questions and showing interest. What did you do last weekend? How did your project go? What are you talking about? How do you know the host? Have you tried the food here? What do you think is the best way to learn? What are your plans for the summer? How was your vacation? What did you think of the movie? Why did you decide to move here? How did you two meet? What is your favorite thing about this city? How long have you been studying English? What are you working on these days? How do you usually spend your weekends? What kind of music do you like? How was your journey here? What inspired you to do that? Really? No way. Seriously? That is cool. Sounds good. I see. Oh, okay. I know, right? Wow, that is amazing. Tell me more about it. That sounds fascinating. I had no idea. Expressing opinions and uncertainty. To be honest, I think it is useful. Honestly, I just have to practice more. Actually, I learn new words all the time. I am not sure, but I think so. I could be wrong, but that is my opinion. I am not sure, let me think. That is a good question. I believe that practice makes perfect. In my opinion, it is better to try and fail. From my perspective, this is the best option. If you ask me, we should leave now. I guess you could say that. It seems to me that we are lost. I tend to think that it is a good idea. As far as I know, the store is closed. I am pretty sure he is coming. I highly doubt that will happen. I have a feeling things will work out. I am not entirely convinced. I would say it is about time. To my mind, this is unacceptable. It is hard to say for sure. I am torn between these two choices. I am on the fence about it. I strongly agree with you. I completely disagree with that. That makes a lot of sense to me. I see your point, but I disagree. Fair enough. Let us agree to disagree. Handling mistakes and thinking in English. I cannot remember the word right now. How do you say that in English? What is the word for the thing you use to cut paper? You mean scissors? Yes, scissors, thank you. Give me a second to think. Can you repeat that, please? I am sorry, I did not catch that. Could you speak a little slower? I am meeting a friend for coffee later. I have plans to get coffee with my friend. My mind went completely blank. Let me rephrase that. What I meant to say was something else. I'm still learning, so please bear with me. I made a mistake, my apologies. I used the wrong word, sorry about that. It is on the tip of my tongue. I am trying to think in English. I am brushing my teeth right now. I am making breakfast for myself. I see a tree outside my window. There is a bird flying in the sky. I am going to describe my routine. I need to look that word up later. Let me check my notebook. I am practicing my pronunciation today. Shadowing helps me sound natural. It takes time and patience to improve. Mistakes are a natural part of the process. Polite requests and compliments. Could you help me with this? Would you mind closing the window? Could I borrow that pen, please? Thanks a lot for your help. I really appreciate it. Would you mind helping me with my homework? Not at all, I would be happy to help. Thank you so much. No problem, that is what friends are for. I like your new haircut. Thank you, I appreciate it. You did a great job on your presentation. Thanks, I worked really hard on it. That is so nice of you to say. Could you please pass the salt? Would it be possible to get a discount? I was wondering if you could assist me. May I ask you a quick question? Excuse me, do you have a moment? I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Your English is sounding great today. I really admire your dedication. You have a wonderful smile. Thank you for being so patient with me. I am so grateful for your support. Would you be so kind as to hold the door? Please let me know if you need anything. It is a pleasure to meet you. You look fantastic today. I could not have done it without you. Building confidence and cultural tips. Nobody is perfect when learning a language. Even native speakers make mistakes every day. I will use 3 new phrases today. I will start a conversation with someone at work. Take a deep breath and just smile. Communication is not just about words. Your body language sends a powerful message. Make eye contact to show you are friendly. Nod your head to show you are listening. Raise your eyebrows to express surprise. Use your hands when you talk to be expressive. Respect personal space in different cultures. Watch how other people act and follow their lead. Jokes are a common way to be friendly. It is okay to laugh at yourself. Language is about connection, not perfection. Celebrate your small successes every day. Record yourself speaking and listen back. Find people you can practice with regularly. Talk to yourself in the mirror to build confidence. Do not worry about having a perfect accent. Celebrate your own unique accent. Focus on being clear and natural instead. Every conversation is a chance to grow. You are never alone in this learning journey. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep growing. You do not have to be perfect to sound natural. Just try to keep the conversation moving. Every time you speak, you get better. Speak with confidence and believe in yourself.